My first visit here was for a dental implant, which was my first foray into that, and I came with trepidation. And my experience with everyone was that they were forthcoming with any question I had. They were happy to answer it. Dr. Quereshy explained everything to me, what was going to happen, what the steps would be, the healing process, the time it would take, even any kind of things that would be untoward that would happen. He walked through the whole experience. I was concerned because we're going to have a family wedding, and I wanted to be sure that I had a nice smile for our daughter's photographs at her wedding, and everything came off in good time, and I healed well, and I had no problems. Be ready with your questions. They will answer them, and that if you have any kind of complication or problem, they will address it. That was one thing that I found really unique to this practice, the ability to reach the doctor by telephone.